If you have United Health as your health insurance, you might consider doing the Real Appeal program. It might be covered by United Health, and so you don't have to pay much. The reason why I signed up is because they give you a success kit, and this is the success kit I'll show you. You get a support from an online health coach, digital tools to track your food activity and progress. So it's not too bad. I think when I did this, I also got a blender, but I could be wrong. But let me show you the success kit. So, I mean, if they offer it for free, you should give it a try. I know when I signed up for the lessons, I was charged something on my health insurance, but then it was totally deducted from my health insurance. So you get a box like this shipped to you. It includes all this stuff. Welcome to the brand new you. Nice booklet. I'm not going to open it, but it's a few booklets probably talking about nutrition and other cool stuff. Weight loss, taking photos of yourself. The thing that I really wanted from this starter kit is comes with the electronic food scale, which I think is pretty cool. I don't have one of these at home, so it was nice to get it for free, or I paid for it through my insurance. Get a jump rope, a plate. Show you the plate. Shows you little portions. I guess this is the portions you should be eating. Not too bad. Fitness DVD, Real Moves workout DVD. Might keep this. Below it is also a electronic bath scale. So, yeah, I wanted a bath scale too, which was nice. Let me show you both scales. So here's the food scale. It's pretty cool. I don't have a food scale, so this was nice to get. Came with the bathroom, electronic bathroom scale. This is it. Should have batteries in it already. Just have to turn it on. Just to pull the tab over here. So, pretty cool. So, just try it out and you get some of this free stuff. I mean, stuff that you paid for, but I mean, you pay for your health insurance, might as well use it. So this is what you get.